Yakka Travels back again on another adventure, and today I'm out with my two mates, Tom and Coxon. We're up Northumberland. We've parked in a little place called Falstone. There's a nice little tea room there. They very kindly let us park overnight. We're going to go down for a breakfast in the morning, and today we're heading up to Bothy. Haven't had a good Bothy camp in a while. Do like a Bothy camp. It's nice having the fire on and everything. As you can see, we're absolutely packed to the rafters with logs. Said it's about an hour and a half up. We're just on an old logging path. We sort of know where we're going on the route. There's no official route that I've found, but I've managed to find it on maps and create my own little route. So we're going to follow along that. Hopefully when we get there, there's nobody there. We're putting bets on it like, but if there is, it's straight back down to the car and we'll try another Bothy up the road. So either way, we're getting a Bothy camp in today. But yeah, come along and join us. Nice little steady walk, and we'll see you when we get a bit further up. Whew. Just see down there, Kielder water, it's a bit foggy. I don't know what you can make out on the camera, but yeah. 3.3 mile walk. Bit knackered so far, it's not easy carrying coals and wood, but we found a decent way of doing it, haven't we? Whew. So we're finally coming off the little logger track, and this is a little path that gets down to Bothy. Coxon's just said he thinks he can see footprints here. Let's hope they're not recent. Let's hope we've got it to ourselves. Dear me, absolutely knackered carrying all this. We keep swapping and taking turns. Still isn't helping like. But there we are, just up ahead. Fingers crossed it's empty. Here we are, flipping for Bothy. Fingers crossed, chaps. Looks like we've made it home for the night. Nice to put the bags down. Oh my days. What a walk and a half. Jesus. We started with the jackets on. God knows why, because we're absolutely drenched.
Oh, that'll do.
Aye.
That'll do.
But we've managed lads. 3.3 mile. It's a lot harder when you're getting uphill.
We've already got the equipment.
We're going to get the stuff out, get everything set up, so the next time you see us, we'll all be organised. So here we are, Bothy. What a place. We've just been getting our gear set up. Look at this. Aye lads. So I've brought a few candlesticks.
Aye.
There was a few little tea lights left as well. You normally leave stuff for other people, so I think we'll be leaving stuff in that little box over there. Just getting all our stuff out. Tom's on the Madry. I'm on the 0%ers. Trying to do dry January. I need a little break after all that booze and our Christmas. I think Coxon's doing the same as well.
Following suit.
Aye. But yeah, we've got a big pan which is still red hot. He's just took it out the slow cooker earlier on, Tom. But there's chorizo, there's chicken, there's pancetta, there's loads of stuff in there. So that'll go nicely later to cook on our little fireplace there. We've brought some kindling. We've brought a couple of nets which were a nightmare to carry up. And then in my bag over there, I've brought like a quarter of a bag of coal as well. So that's going to go on the fire. So it should be lovely and toasty tonight. As you can see, it's all pretty much sealed in. So I think it retains the heat well. From a few videos that I've watched from people that been here, they said it's been warm all night and they sleep well, so I'm guessing we're going to have a good night's kip tonight. But yeah, we're going to tuck into these. We've got that food to cook later, and we're putting them on a jacket potato each. We've got some crispy onions to go on top of there, some cheese, and then some parsley to go in as well later on. So yeah, we've got the dog food as well. A feast for all of us. Obviously we brought the wood. There is like dead branches and stuff lying about, so I think we're going to go out just now and have a little scout about. I've brought me little pruning saw. We'll probably just get a few extra logs there, just to keep the fire going. Of the dead wood, obviously, we're not going to chop live trees down. But yeah, let's get the gear set up. We'll get our airbeds. I think I'm going to Bagsy this top bunk here, and these two are going to be on this bit here. Aye, son. So there's the airbeds blown up, sleeping bags out. On account of the dogs, we've stuck them up there out the way, just so that they didn't get popped later on. As you can see, it's a bit nippy when you stood still. We've got plenty of wood and coals, but we're going to go find some dead wood now. I've brought me a little pruning saw, which will come in handy. So we're going to go out and get some more fuel, because once we're in for the night, then we can just sit and chill. There's no going outside and trying to get more wood. Let's go get some more firewood. So we've just been through that little opening there, and we've managed to get a decent sized branch that had fallen off. We'll need to chop it into smaller little logs, because obviously the fireplace is only small. And with it being laid on the ground, it is a bit damp. But we'll sharp dry it out once we've got the dry wood on. We're just heading a little bit further back to the road. We noticed a few little logs that had already been cut, so we're going to bring a few of them back, just lay at the side of the road. So we're back from getting our wood. There was a few fallen big branches, so we've chopped off all the little bits. They are damp because it's been sat on the floor, but it should dry out the side of the fire. We've got like a little self-lighter log at the bottom, some kindling on the top and a few fire lighters, a bit of coal at the back, but it'll just keep burning and should keep us going. You're meant to just light the bag and they set away. Whoosh, Skittles. Once that log gets away, all that stuff at the battle gun and all that.
I love a fire, mate.
I do.
I absolutely love it.
I love camping on the hills, didn't get us wrong, but there's something mint about having a fire like.
I say I've got to have a fire when I go camping.
It's class, man.
You have to have a fire. Hold on.
Right, you got that fire. Joby, come here.
It's 5 o'clock, and as you can see outside, we've just seen off the last of the light. But it's lovely and light in here with the candles on. And the fire blaring.
Nice and chilled.
Piled up some of our logs down there. We're just going to put one on every so often. Try and make them last the night. We've got another net there. Aye, aye, son. Oh. Just threw the stew on. Give it a good half an hour to boil away. Look at you, son.
He loves it, doesn't he?
Stew bubbling away. You see there? And we've even got a little chetty shelf underneath. Gonna be some good scran tonight. Look at that. Good eating tonight.
Oh, the boys is eating well.
Plating up the tea. Looks absolutely unreal, doesn't it? Obviously we've got the crispy onions to go on and the mozzarella on top as
Tell you
well.
what, Tom, get them crispy onions on. Like,
Yes. That's all the food plated up. Look at that. Tom's cooked it. Put it on last night, slow cooker. What's in it, Tom?
Chicken, chorizo, just loads of veg.
The works.
Aye. Storm.
Tin tomato,
We've just heated that up.
everything.
We've got some cheese on there, some crispy onions and some parsley. Let's give it a go. Mmm.
Good on it.
Unbelievable that.
The man's exhaled, can't lie.
You've done well.
Can't eat that.
Class. We just had the fire simmering when we were cooking, so we've hired a couple of logs on, get it right back hot again. I've been sat with the tunes on and that. Obviously we can't show you that, but we're going to finish eating this and get the fire raging again. Because no one wants to see us engulfing this.
Yeah.
You on seconds already, like?
Was that not what you've just done there?
No.
No, Tom.
Yeah, I put crispy onions on.
Oh, did you? I'll have another 2 scoops.
Yeah, you get yourself filled up there, man. Wow. Oh, the tatey's not done to me like.
Needs to be a bit softer, does it?
I don't care.
Mine's like fucking roasties.
Drying out a little bit. See, there's still some wet. There's a little bit of sap on as well, but they should burn. Burnt a few now. Whew. So we've been sat chilling for ages now. We're all ready for bed. We've just put everything that we had left in there, melting with the cheese and all the chorizo up. Got the last of the logs on. We've got one left down there, but a big joist out the back of Tom's car that we brought. That should burn all night with coals underneath. Class. Reheated all of that, melted all the cheese.
Absolutely.
With what was left on the bottom of the pan, a little bit of water, the crispy onions, and the parsley.
Rest of the back.
Look at that. Unbelievable. Mint.
Unbelievable. Oh, that'll make it nice, that will.
Nice little bit of supper before bed. There's my bed up there. Hopefully it's as warm up there as it is down here. I was going to say, I'm going to sleep with it open, eh? Like.
Oh, me head, really.
I think I'm going to be too hot for a day, that. You can go.
Canny little cubby hole up there, like.
Toby, come on. Go on, up. Up.
So that's me all tucked up here on my little balcony. Knackered. It's been a long day. It was a hard walk up earlier on. It's definitely knackered us out now, so it's a good night from us, and I'll see you in the morning, eh? Oh, 9:15. Slept like an absolute baby. I think these two did as well, didn't you?
Oh, aye.
Nice and warm.
Lovely and warm all night. Not cold once. I think that's the best night's sleep I've ever had in a bothy. But yeah, I'm going to get the fire on, get things warmed up a bit for us patting away, eh? And a coffee.
Come on. Not time for playing, son. Corby. Oh.
Look at you still.
Spit water. Up.
Most perfect way to keep off the beverage.
Get outside, you're still doing it.
You're about us, of the dogs?
Give him his own.
I was going to give him a dog.
Stinks of shit now.
You were farting all night. Look at that. So that's us cleaned up and packed up. All our gear's gone. And as usual, leave no trace. So we've cleaned up, emptied the bucket. We're just waiting for the last of that wood to burn down. Then I'm going to clean out the fire as well. But yeah, all the food and everything cleaned off there. Because there's definitely mice knocking about in here. We've seen a few little droppings. So the last thing you want to be doing is leaving any little traces of food to give them an excuse to come in. But yeah, I try to leave it cleaner than when I come. So we've given the floor a little bit brush. We've got the rubbish bag there with all the crap in, which will be taken down and thrown away. Bothies are great if you use them right. They hate to be enjoyed by everybody. So it's always nice to leave a little bit for the next person. We've left a few candles, some matches, firelighters and 2 logs there. So that's us off. What a stay. Probably the best bothy I've stayed in. Good night, wasn't it?
Unbelievable.
Class. Some good food, warm fire, comfy beds. Wasn't cold at all during the night. But now we've got a brave, gone back down through all this fog. And it is a little bit nippy as well. That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Time for this, mate.
Excited for the brekkie. Just to fall some tea rooms, having a lovely breakfast before we go home. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video. Tune in for another one next time. I think we're going to get out in a camp next week, maybe, aren't we? Maybe another Bothy camp. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. See you on the next one. A nice little sweet treat to take home. Lovely little cafe.